Ki samla puli ka Balawan College Sning kila penkut ya katayo le kemen haka khatlai tarik nai wing da ka jingdon lang jong ba la kemen romboi menteri ka puli puthi kumukong san. La pediang burom ya uba la kemen do Reverend Padar Pius Shadap Parish Priest baru sepal kanika college rengkat kinong hikai bat ki samla puli ha kanika sngi. Kanika college kala shim me ki kitien pira ha kanika tayo le kemen. Keu artet da ka jingyo ijngai. Rising with Vision. Ban penslur ya samla ban penjanai ya la kisap ki pong habaro kiliang. Kabalawan College kalong ka way na kislam jing start kabala pau khmat ban pasat jing start bat tebe jing shai haki kerdan puli bat haki jing mut jing perkhat jang ki samla ka thembri phoi. Ha kalumpung penwa ya kani katayo le kemen la penlong ya ki cultural program ki ba ipo iping ki ba kenthop ya ki jing shat ba bun rong ki jing ruai ba jing kun ut sur ba shingyam. Hakani katayo la penlong ya kijingya ko papun jat nadu kijingya lekai ka shat ka kemen bat ka put ka tem ka program ka bala kring bat penyap bi ya ki samla ya ki kimi ki kpa bat ya ki pat ba kani ka than ka long ka jingya ko thei bat rang bhabriu tam na preng ki samla puli kani ka college amla ban mudur ya ka jing sliang bat angnu jang ki samla ban yo i ya ka thei bat urang ba kan sai tam na kani ka college ha ka bakut ka jingya ko ka thei samla priang hun mukhem bat urang offering ting kar lakar kila ra ekana makan sai bat ba itam na kalumpung Balawan College. Hakajingkran hakane kalumpung na lor kajingya ro ekinong penya bat ekinong hikai ki bala pli ekilat kidenti eki samla puli ban penpau bat pen iperthei ya la kisap ki pong ula kenturu eki samla puli ban long ki atyar ban tebe jing shai shala ki shnong ki thau bat ki marjan marpa. Ula ong ka jingnang jingtip kamdei ban set up biala de tang haki kamera puli. Hendrei de ban yasam lem yaki jingtip bat jing start shaki para brio. Ka jingnang jingtip kadei ban ketik yaki jabin ban wanra yaki jingkela ki babha habaro kiliang joka imlang salang. Ula ong ru ka Sarkar Meghalaya haka jingelam jong menteri rangba Conrad K Sangma kalapli yaki babun ki phang ban kentiu yaki school ki college mar khamtam e yaki samla puli ki balong ka lawei jong ka jilla bat ka rihi baro ka wei kini ki mati jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya kinang phu bat pau perthei haka jilla baro ka wei kat banang telun ki sngi ki banai bat ki snem bandang wan ula penkut.
Next, contestant number 8, Charity Bond Soto. Contestant number 10, Alfredin Karlagan. Contestant number 11, Gerald Merson Labon. Now on, contestant number 12, Donald Waller. Now contestant number 13, Nadia P. Mongla. Now let's go on contestant number 14, Yang Wenlang Wei.
You are imbibed in you this week while facing the challenge of today's world. My dear student, now we are experiencing the life, the beautiful life, where it is ample opportunity for us. Gone are the days where when we go to college, when we join the college, our main dream is white collar job. But I'm very happy that the young student, they are prepared themselves to face the reality, to face the challenge of this world. This is very, very important. And more importantly, I'm very happy, I'm very sure that the college will imbibe in you the spirit of identifying the opportunity. More importantly, groom your talent so that you could withstand the tide of this world. My dear student, many people are living, are thinking and thought that what we will do, what we will do in the future, and even our parents, they think what we will do. My dear student, now the world is full of opportunity. Before, we have only this natural world, which we will live, explore, and earn or living. But with the advent of science and technology, we have not only the physical world, but the virtual world, which you young people, you know better than me. Who ever thought that not Scythian or Daintland or not Alikai will not only give the livelihood to the people, but give the livelihood to the people of Meghalaya. Who ever thought that the Krangshuri in Amlarem, the Wat Umon, will give the livelihood to the people, not only local there, but from Jorabat till their destination. Whoever thought Nong Mahir in this area, and whoever thought that Meiram El Cafe, the people are going to visit, going to enjoy. It is up to you how to identify the opportunity. Opportunity is plenty. I think for those of you who have read the magazine or the news, you must have seen last month one new restaurant, a very small eatery in Shillong, which serve traditional food, Ransan. They are one of the top eateries in India. That's why I used to see it again and again and again and again, for me and also for others also. Don't lose hope. Only for People's College, including you, including principal. We will do more. Just look at history, how much they do before, and how much we do in 7.5 years. It is very easy to sit and criticize, but very difficult to do. Until and unless the leadership will understand the need of the youth. That's why from the day one, we told education is our top priority. Now people criticize, oh, PGI index, Meghalaya is the lowest. That's why I tell you the statistic. 6 government colleges till 2018, but it will be 9 government colleges by 2028. We do give access to why? No government in the past increased the scholarship. Why it take the MDA government to increase scholarship? You should understand. Work in progress. I'm not telling we have done anything. We will do more because we want each and every young mind. They should be able to explore education. They should be able to enjoy education. They should be able to show their skills, their talent, their creativity, more importantly, their wisdom. So my dear friend, enjoy your life in education. Enjoy your life by exploring the talent you have. Enjoy your life with hope, with vision, with a dream, and work towards fulfilling your dream. With these few words, thank you very much. God bless you.
Please give him a round of applause. Please address Ms. Georgie to kindly do the honor. And the winner of Miss Balawan 2025 is Dianghon Mukim.
Today, the 30th of November 2025, I, Sri Lakshman Rumboy, do hereby declare that the annual Balawan Week 2025 come to the close. Thank you to everybody who participate and have hand in this holding this college week this year. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.